I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It cost the grand total of $10. It's frozen solid, doesn't work at all. Everything rusted up to beat the band. So you can see I've got a copper wire wrapped around it. It's going to go in the electrolysis tank. Going to try something a little different. I've always used baking soda because it was what I had on hand. Well, I have some washing soda too. Sorry for the neighbor's lawnmower, but he mows, everybody mows. So I have some washing soda. I'm going to put it in the bath, and we're going to try it with washing soda this time, see what happens. I have to be careful so that I don't have any part of the metal part of the grinder touching the grounding bars. And we can see that I'm pretty well close. Now the wood piece is going to be in water, but that wood piece is gone. It's nothing left there, so I'm not out anything. I have pictures of what the shape of the handle looks like, so I can make another one if I decide to. First, we got to get this thing opened up so it'll move. And I'm taking 3 sacrificial lawnmower blades. They're really long past good. Accumulated age on these things about 15 years. They're very tough blades, but they wear out. So I'm using them as grounding straps now. I have it in the bucket now. I'm going to put some washing soda in there and then fill it up with water. Then we're going to turn on the 12-volt battery charger and see what happens. Well, we got everything hooked up. It's in the water bath. Right now all I'm seeing is bubbles coming out of the box of the grinder. That's been doing that since I put it in the water. So we're going to give it a few minutes. Hopefully by that time Jim will be done mowing and we can actually see and hear and understand what's going on here. Well, it's definitely working. Well, the grinder's been in the bath since yesterday at about 5:30. Okay, let's see just how well it's done. Turn the power off. Unhook the cables and reach down into that guck and grab that out of there. I think I'm going to put a glove on. And that's better. Well, it's a lot cleaner than it was. A lot of the caked on rust is gone. Paint's still secure. But it's going to need some more time in the bath. It's still got rust down in the holes. And I'm sure I'm not going to get any of these bolts loose. And one of the goals of having it in the electrolysis tank is to get the bolts loose without breaking any. And I can see that there's still a lot of crap down here in these holes. So leave it set in the tank for another day. And hopefully that'll get some of this junk off of there. I don't know that that'll free it up enough to make it move. But there's always hope. I can see now that there's oil holes here. Might end up heating some of these things to get the bolts and nuts to come loose. But we'll do that after we give it some more time in the bath. Interesting how this gum built up so quickly again. After I pulled it out last time, the scum all just kind of vanished. I wonder if the washing soda has a chelating agent in it. It's going to take a lot more than electrolysis to get the rust off of this thing. The outside is rust free, but the inside is shadowed by the casing of the grinder. So the only way to get in there is open it up, and I need to take these bolts out to do that. This crank appears to be loose, so I'm going to see if that handle will come off. Oh yeah, that came off easy. Screws loose. Look at that. That is perfect. Oh, there's room for it to move. So most of our hang-up must be in this shaft. Take this pair of pliers and remove these. Look at that. It's coming right out. A little threaded plug. Not going to do anything major to it. I'm just going to try and see if I can get the easy ones to move. No, that's not going to go. Well, it didn't crack through the thread, so that's good. It's a clean crack, something that I did. It wasn't pre-existing. Now I have to clean that up and silver solder it back together again. That's going to be interesting. Now, just a matter of getting out all the equipment and brazing everything back together again that needed to be brazed. I have enough jobs that need to be brazed. It's worthwhile getting out the equipment and going to work.